follow trends, your precious news page. Too afraid to be woke, you gotta stay awake. Just observe how our culture's preserved. Take a lesson or two on what elders deserve. You follow clocks, we follow the sea. Waking up before dawn, avoiding AC. You call this paradise, you wish you were here. Scuba glides from 200 years. You speak one language, we speak two or more. Check, check before you land on our shores. These sunsets expensive, I don't have time to surf. My neighbor's got 3 jobs just trying to survive on this earth. I am my father's daughter, rooted by family, guided by the stars. My ancestors speak to me. You ain't got culture, you got nothing to last. Empty words, hollow life, just a watered down past. What you know about this family pride? Conflicts to the side, we got blood thick like our thighs. The sound of laughter fills the fale all day and all night. Sleeping on the floor, we solid, we stay cause we tight. We're such happy people, our bloodline is regal. Forget the word equal, compromise what's legal. You're all over political lines. Power control, what's yours and what's mine. As for us, we still got our matai. Love and respect is what we live by. I am my father's daughter, rooted by family, guided by the stars. My ancestors speak to me. I am my father's daughter, rooted by family, guided by the stars. My ancestors speak to me. I am my father's daughter, rooted by family.